We are back out in the frigid cold because, you know, I didn't grab diesel, so why would I? So we are going to be reassembling the Firebird today. At least that's the plan. We have other things we actually have to work on because, you know, adulting and things like that. But the goal is to get a little more of this kit onto this car. Got the bushing set aside, the coffee set aside, and kind of just pairing things together. But I'm gonna start cranking this stuff out, getting these ball joints greased and whatnot. I'll check in with you guys later and see where we're at. I'm currently at the point of putting the upper control arm bushings in. So I've got the bushings kind of somewhat put together at this point. So I put the cross member in first, and then the larger of the two. I'm gonna try and compress these together. It's important that you have something between this span, because this will collapse and you'll have to beat it back into position. Or if you have something here, you don't have to do that, and you just kind of finish the fight. So at this point, the control arm bushings are in. So I'm gonna get to mounting these lower control arms. The key here I figured out is to use axle grease or wheel band grease or whatever along the edges. And that'll actually help you to kind of move these in. So I'm gonna fill these two spots with axle grease on the inside just so it kind of slides in a lot easier for me. So instead of fighting this thing, what I'm gonna do is just electrical tape it on there so I don't have to fight it any more than I need to. Because getting these things on can be kind of a pain in the butt with the way the holder works here. It kind of hangs down like this and the coil goes around it. So it can be a bear. So now that I'm pretty sure what I can do with this spring, I'm going to put the upper control arm in so I can close it all together with a spindle and kind of start putting things back together. So with the front springs in, the front suspension done, you see how much lower this sits than before. Here's a before picture and an after picture. Man, and I am digging how this thing sits. Pretty sure the rear is next though. So the next video, we're gonna do leaf springs and rear shocks. So keep an eye out for that. As always guys, I appreciate the support. We are over 1,000 subscribers now, so thank you for that. And have a good one, and I will definitely see you on the road.